everybody, what's up? It's your girl, Brianna, but you knew this as always. But no, I have a really special video, you guys. This is my Robyn Savon unboxing for TKBTrading.com. Yay. Oh my goodness, because they have such amazing things. And they have everything basically that I need to make my like soaps, my bath salts, my wax milks, everything. So let's go ahead and get to it, because this we got a lot to handle. So let's go ahead and get to this. Don't need that. And then that's the thing, because look at just the packing list alone. This is oops, upside down. But this is everything that I have inside this box. Like, I've already been through the list and checked to make sure everything was here. So here we go. But booyah. So first thing first, because I have the whole box organized now, like product categories. But my flavoring oils though, I have 5 ounces. Like, yes, this is 5 ounces right here. I have vanilla flavoring oil. I have cinnamon bun flavoring oil. I have chai tea flavoring oil. I feel like that one's gonna be really nice, honestly. And I also have the strawberry flavoring oil. Next, my like regular oils or body oils or whatever. I have 8 ounces of jojoba oil. I also have 8 ounces of avocado oil. I have 8 ounces of castor oil and fractionated coconut oil. This is important. As well as grapeseed oil. I actually like this green to the grapeseed oil. That's nice. But oh yeah, no, I got 2 things. 2 8 ounces of coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil. Oh yeah. So yes. So there's all that. What else? What is this one? I'm sorry. Yeah, fractionated coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil. Yeah. What is? Castor oil. Oh no, I got 3 things of fractionated coconut oil. Wow, I forgot. That's crazy. What? Because I ran through this list. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, no, it says 3 things of coconut oil. Wow, I think I just got crazy. I seen everything online and I just went crazy. But no, and then I have smaller ones. Like I have 1 ounce of vitamin E oil, as well as 1 ounce of oh, my spiced chocolate flavoring oil. This one actually smells so nice. Oh my goodness, it smells so nice, you guys. But no, let's see. I have my paraffin wax beads. I feel like this is gonna be really nice. And then I like how they're coming like smaller than usual. Like, they're not pellets, they're like beads type thing. But yeah, no, that, as well as I have my white beeswax beads as well. Like, this is nice. This is really nice. I love this. I also have some laurelorate, as well as my lanolin. This lanolin is amazing. This is the key secret ingredient to like softening like everything. Like, period. But what else is in here? I have refined cocoa butter. I have shea butter unrefined, as well as refined shea butter. And more refined shea butter. Oh yeah, and then What's this one? Here we go. Boom. And then let's get to, oh, I have my mica colors too. Let me get closer for this one. Okay, here we go. So we have the bronze mica, the bronze mica colorant. I don't know if you can see it. That's it right there. Here's this one. Red Basics. Oh yeah. TKB Umber. Oh yeah, I like this one. This one is really nice. And Diamond Cluster. A nice little white pearlescent glitter type white. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use this one for my unicorn like stuff. Everything unicorn, I'm gonna use this Diamond Cluster color mica. Oh yeah, but I'm not done yet. That's the crazy part. I told you guys I went crazy. You know, here we go. So like each of these like blocks is 1 pound. So I essentially have 2 pounds of the crystal clear soap base from TKB and 2 pounds of, what is this one? Of the shea butter soap base. So, yay. And then just like some like little other stuff because they do sell like packaging and whatnot. So I got me some like lip gloss squeezy bottle things. They come with lids as well too. Yeah, so this is the bottle, and then this is the bag of lids. Let me take one out and show you guys. Oh yeah, so you get your lids or whatever, and you got your bottles, and yeah. So it's like, I like this. This is nice. This is really nice. But that's everything out the box. I'm so excited looking at it now, just spread out and stuff in front of me. It's like, oh, I'm so excited. I'm so ready to go ahead and get into this new stuff that I want to make. So until we meet again, you guys, thanks for watching. I'm dropping a link for TKB in the description, but at the same time though, the bases like the shea butter or like the coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, lanolin, stuff like that. All of this stuff, the oils and whatnot, you will be able to order from RobynSavon.com. Yes, I said that. You will be able to order this stuff from RobynSavon.com. I'm doing drop shipping wholesale, so it's still TKB products just coming through Robyn Savon. But yeah, no, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you later. Bye.